Hi, it's Mike Stevenson. In today's video, I'm going to be starting a series of videos where I'm going to be looking at observability and cost to do with using Azure AI. So what I've found is that there's so many different ways you can use services for AI in Azure, and also with the client implementation you may do in something like the .NET framework. I think it's quite difficult to figure out where to use what, how different things work, and how they affect the observability and the cost. So we're going to try and break this down a bit and just work through a series from a very simple application, build it up and use different features and have a look at how that affects things. So this video is going to be really straightforward and hopefully quite short, this first one. So we're going to do a hello world example using a .NET 10 console app, which will use the Microsoft agent framework to interact with an Azure OpenAI model. So really what it's going to do is, very simply, we're going to open an Azure OpenAI client. We're going to execute a GET response with a simple prompt. We're going to get the reply, and we're going to just write to the console about the usage in terms of tokens. Now, as we go into subsequent videos, we'll dig deeper and we'll explore more things that we can do. A good example of the code here is we're going to create this chat client here, and we're going to pass in a URI for our model. And in this case, I'm just going to use a key, but we could also use managed identity if we were deploying it to Azure. And then we're going to execute GET response, and we're going to get a reply back. Now, the call flow, just so we understand, this is really simple. So the console app creates the OpenAI client with the SDK. That then calls on to the Azure model, where the LLM is going to execute our request. That'll return back, and then we're looking at the end in the terminal to see how many tokens have been logged. Now, as we go through other demos, we'll do more with these tokens, but let's just explore the absolute basics to begin with, and we'll end up with an output looking something a bit like on the screen here. Now, if I go over into my code, you can see this folder I'm going to put into GitHub. So there's a whole bunch of samples here, and I'm going to just step through this code so you can understand what's happening. Okay, so we're going to start off by reading our config file, and we're going to get our deployment key and endpoint for Azure OpenAI. And here you can see line 23, I'm going to create the chat client. And then I'm just going to write out to the console some useful info for later. Next, I'm going to make the call to the LLM to get it to execute my request. So I'm just asking it if it knows anything interesting about AI. We'll get our response back and we'll write that to the terminal. And then we're going to write our output tokens as well. So you can see we've used 20 input tokens and 117 output. Really simple demo, this one. So you can see here on the screen on the output, dead straightforward. So that's all I wanted to show in this video, was just the absolute basics of how this sample is going to work, because in the next video we're going to start changing it and digging deeper. So thank you for listening to this first video.